former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has defended the Khalistani sympathizer and jailed MP from Khadur Sahib, Amritpal Singh. Channi slammed the government for jailing the elected MP, questioning how would he serve the people from behind bars. Listen in.
इमरजेंसी ये भी है कि 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएस से लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसकी कंस्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी है।
My colleague Amandeep joins us on the broadcast with the details. Amandeep, Amritpal Singh is known to be a Khalistani sympathizer. He is a separatist. There are several criminal cases against him, but Channi coming out in his support.
Absolutely, Pratibha. This raises several questions. Is it the Channi's love to Amritpal Singh or the Khalistani sympathizers, or this is the Congress love to the Khalistani sympathizers? Just because Congress has fielded their own candidate during the Lok Sabha polls from Khadur Sahib, Kulbir Jira, contested against Amritpal Singh, and in fact he openly criticized the moves and the ideology and the agenda of Amritpal Singh, which was being campaigned by her family. And even now, all of a sudden, Channi, while speaking on the emergency, he started backing Amritpal Singh, and he's saying that how that person can serve his constituency when he was jailed under NSA, that he was elected an MP by 20 lakh people from his constituency. What he tried to prove on the floor of the parliament. And even Charanjit Singh Channi, who himself was the Chief Minister of Punjab, and he deeply knows the sentiment of this Khalistan, which was being exploited by the several powers outside the India, and they tried to create the unrest in the state. And in fact, despite knowing all these facts, again, Channi is providing an open back to Khalistani sympathizer and Khadur Sahib MP Amritpal Singh in the House, and in fact, putting the pressure and raising the question of the BJP regarding the emergency. It is very shocking and surprising, and one single light statement is giving a huge impact on the ground of Punjab, and it would be a boost to the Khalistani sympathizers by Channi's statement. And now the Congress has to clarify, is this the Congress statement, or it's only Charanjit Singh Channi who is backing Amritpal Singh, who is detained under NSA? What is the relation of the Congress party, or what is the relation of Charanjit Singh Channi with Amritpal Singh that he openly provided back to Amritpal Singh? Yes, Pratibha.
Absolutely. And this is one of the tallest leaders of the party speaking up in support of Amritpal. And let's look at some of the charges against him, Amandeep. Criminal cases, of course, he's known for his separatist views. Apart from that, there are cases, the NSA, yes, spreading disharmony among classes, attempt to murder, attack on the police personnel. These are some serious charges against him. And coming out in defense of him is Charanjit Channi. And very clearly, the cases against him, as he is calling it a political conspiracy, was not picked after the elections. All of these cases relating to the violence that broke out in Punjab much before the Lok Sabha elections. Amandeep, before I come to you, we have Mr. R.P. Singh joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Singh, how do you view this statement by Charanjit Singh Channi, who has come out in support of Amritpal Singh?
Well, just stated line of the